In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an analytics report in Freshsales CRM. Whether you're new to Freshsales or simply looking to streamline your reporting process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Freshsales. Once you've found the Freshsales website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, your dashboard will open up, providing you an interface infused with various tools to optimize your CRM experience. Now, over on the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Look for the Analytics icon, which should resemble a chart or a graph, and give it a click. This will take you to the Reports page, an area dedicated to creating and managing your CRM reports. On the Reports page, locate the button labeled New Report and click it. This action will open a fresh, blank canvas where your creativity and analytical reasoning can be expressed through data visualization. Freshsales allows you to create informative reports by using widgets, and in this step, you have the option to either select a widget from the gallery provided or start from scratch by creating your own. Once you've made your choice, it's time to customize your widget. Begin by giving it a meaningful name that reflects the type of data you are reporting. Configuring the chart is an insightful process. You'll select the relevant metric that represents the data you want to analyze. Next, you'll add filters, which are incredibly useful for fine-tuning your results and making sure your report highlights the precise information needed. Group your data logically and choose a date range that aligns with your reporting objectives, providing the temporal context needed for analysis. With your widget set up, let's shift focus to designing your report layout. This is where you can rearrange your widgets and add more if necessary, ensuring your report is structured in the most digestible and engaging way for your audience. Think about what you want to communicate and the visual flow that will help convey your message most effectively. As you're happy with your report layout and content, it's time to finalize your creation. Click on the Save button to preserve your custom analytics report. Once saved, you can easily access it anytime from your analytics home, ensuring your insights are always just a click away. And there you have it. A full-scope explanation of creating an analytics report in Freshsales CRM. Remember, meticulous customization and a clear, logical layout transform simple data into powerful insights. Enjoy crafting your reports, and let the data lead your strategic decisions.